Hey guys, welcome to my channel. This is Sanjaleeta, and if you like this look with the rhinestones on my eyelids, keep watching. So we're gonna go in with these, and these kind of shine kind of a holographic color. I don't know if you can tell. I'm recording from my cell phone, so yeah, let's just get right into it. So I'm gonna go ahead and put the glue on. I grabbed the medium-sized rhinestone first. Go ahead and stick that on. And stick it on above the eyeliner. Push it in there. The glue right next to the other one. I'm gonna put another medium-sized one right. Try not to stick it on top of the eyeliner. I kind of made that mistake with the first one. Going with the kind of a bigger one. Next, I'm going in with two smaller ones, kind of on top of each other. The glue on. This guy right there. Okay, so that eye is done. Let me finish the other one and then I'll be right back. Okay, so it's done and all I have to do is apply mascara. I think if you put false lashes on, it might be a little too much because you want the rhinestones to show. But just depending on the person. I mean, if you have no lashes, then you have no choice. So I have pretty long lashes. Sorry for my background mess. I am recording from my cell phone, and I'm at my makeup table. Okay, so we are done. What do you guys think? It was super easy. They came out really good. I tried to place the little ones kind of above each other, which I kind of got it to do it. I was looking at a picture and that's kind of where I got this idea from, and everyone's eyes are a different size, of course, so maybe her eyelid was a little bit bigger or smaller, I don't know. But anyways, this is how I was able to do it, or maybe her rhinestones were smaller, I don't know. The rhinestones that I have, they already have a sticky adhesive behind it, but I still put glue on because you never know, throughout the day with the oils of your face and whatnot, you know, sticky might wear out. So that's why I put the glue on so I don't end up losing rhinestones. But yeah, this was a very easy look. It's different. It's different from the rest of the makeup looks and the eyeshadow looks and whatnot. You know, just kind of gives a little bling out there. And I think this is going to be a really good look for the holidays with the rhinestones. And this is not going to be the end of it. I'm going to be doing more rhinestone looks. And I bought some little pearls, so I'm going to do some pearl looks too. I seen Carly Bible. She did a pearl look. Oh my gosh, it's so gorgeous. I think I'm going to totally do something like that next week. But yeah, so thanks for watching, guys. If you haven't subscribed yet, do subscribe. I'm making new videos every week. I plan on making one every Wednesday, but I'm making some here and there and Wednesday, so I'm just having fun doing this. And I love enjoying my beauty tips with you guys, my beauty secrets, whatever. I mean, I have no secrets. I let them all out to you guys and share it with you guys. So yeah, so this is the look that I got. And I really like how it came out. It looks really pretty. And you know what, if you're older and you want to do this, it's okay. Don't worry what other people say, because I know there's people out there saying stuff, things I may have already heard, but you know what, I don't care. If there's a certain way you want to do your makeup or whatever, that's fine. Now when the dressing part comes along, then I have a problem with that. But because when I dress, I don't like to show anything. So I'm a very classy lady, I guess you could say. And I don't know. I'm just not one of those to dress in little mini clothes and all that stuff. That's just not me. So, but anyways, this is me with the makeup and whatnot. So yeah, so if you guys like this look, do leave a comment, share my video. I'm gonna be doing more of these looks, so make sure you guys subscribe, hit the notification bell. That way you won't miss my videos when I do post them. All right, guys, well, you have a beautiful weekend. I just wanted to share this look with you guys real quick. So, and here it is. Bye. Trying to see if the sun can catch those rhinestones shining. A little too sunny there.